Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to solve with different options that Windows not load correctly. Chapter 1. Fix Windows not load correctly from terminal. To get started, open Terminal as administrator from the Start menu. Run the on-screen command to scan and restore the system image. Wait for the process to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now run the SFC scan, now command to scan and fix Windows file system errors. Wait for the process to finish. After this, you will reboot the system to apply the changes. You can see that the system loads correctly. Chapter 2. Fix Windows not load correctly by restoring system. In the Start search engine, enter the word restore. Click on the Create a Restore Point option. In the pop-up you see, click on System Restore. Select the desired restore point and follow the steps in the wizard. Chapter 3. Fix Windows not load correctly with Advanced Startup. The first thing will be to go to the Windows Shutdown button. There, press the Control key on your keyboard and click on Restart. This will start Windows in advanced mode. Then you are going to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options, then in the main menu, click on Startup Repair. Wait for the system to be diagnosed. In the results, click on Advanced Options. You are going to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. In the main menu, click Uninstall Updates. Select the type of update to uninstall and complete the process. Another option is to go to the main menu of the Advanced Startup and this time click on Command Prompt. Run the commands you see on the screen to fix the boot. Finally, you can exit the console and click Continue to log into Windows without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.